The year was 1874, nearly 30 years after the height of the gold rush, when the hope of new beginnings and untold wealth drew prospectors to California from the farthest reaches of the globe. Stories of Earth rich with silver, copper, borax, and of course, gold drove 49ers to push past the harsh conditions of the arid California desert for the glimpse of a dream. Along the banks of the Owens River, Chrysopolis was home to immigrant brothers George and Demetrius Betos, whose Greek heritage inspired the town's name, meaning City of Gold. The settlement flourished for a short time, until conflict and the town's isolation drove settlers away. Unwavering in their quest for riches, the Betos brothers pushed east into Death Valley. Nestled in the Panamint Mountains, the brothers settled in a tiny town filled with outlaws in hiding. Dubbed the meanest corner of hell that ever passed for a civilized town, Exile Canyon would prove an unforgiving natural environment. Thanks to frequent earth tremors, many miners toiled for months in the blistering summer heat, only to be crushed by falling rock. Those who survived the mines often died slow and painful deaths from venomous snake bites, due to the town's unusual and perilous western diamondback rattlesnake infestation. With resources in very short supply, a devastating underground coal fire explosion burned half of the town to the ground. The Betos brothers were convinced that Exile Canyon was cursed by an evil presence holding sway over the settlement. Medusa, they whispered.
Medusa.
The ancient Greek word meaning guardian. Could this guardian, a cursed creature born from sea gods with hair of snakes, the power to turn the living to stone with her electric eyes, and whose blood droplets instantly turn to snakes, be responsible for the town's plight? Greek legends weren't well known in the West, but the irony was unmistakable. Soon, the few remaining residents began calling the doomed outpost Medusa. Medusa's wrath was unrelenting. Mining riches remained elusive. As poverty grew and hope faded, outlaws at odds caused further turmoil among the settlers. And in a final cruel blow, the town was wiped off the map by a ferocious flash flood, and the remaining settlers drowned or were buried under tons of mud and rock. The Betos brothers were never seen again. Today, we honor the legend of this ill-fated mining town on the great frontier, and the mythological beast whose wrath may have destroyed the lives and dreams of everyone who settled there. Plunge back in time and slither with Medusa through the cursed outpost of Exile Canyon.